China's premier pitches to German Chancellor closer collaboration in strategic industries. China steps up control of rare earth exports, citing national security concerns. European industry caught in crossfire of China's rare earths war. 27 days ago. Good question. Here's a breakdown of what's going on, key takeaways, motivations, and risks, and how this could play out. Then I'll offer some analysis on possible implications. What's happening? China seeking closer strategic ties with Germany. Chinese Premier Li Qiang proposed much deeper cooperation with Germany in strategic industries, new energy, smart manufacturing, biomedicine, hydrogen energy, and intelligent driving. The pitch came during the G20 summit, in a meeting with German Chancellor Friedrich Merz. Li emphasized that both countries should strengthen dialogue and communication, and properly address their respective concerns. Background tension, rare earth export curbs. China recently imposed export restrictions on critical goods, particularly rare earths and related technologies. These curbs have caused disruption in German production lines, especially in sectors that rely on rare earth elements, REs. Germany has publicly expressed concern over these export controls. Trade between China and Germany remains very large. China bought $95 billion United States dollars of German goods in the last year. German goods imported by China include a significant portion of cars, approximately 12%, per Chinese data. On the investment front, Germany invested $6.6 billion United States dollars into China in 2024, making it one of China's major European investment partners. Mutual interests in emerging fields. China is offering partnership in emerging fields, new energy, likely renewables, batteries, hydrogen tech, smart manufacturing, intelligent driving, biomedicine. This could mean not just trade, but joint projects, technology sharing, possibly investment in processing or manufacturing capabilities.